The sound is good, but it's not as louder as the. It feels like used one packed again. Today we are unboxing another earbud that is from Ambrane. The version is Neobuds 33. This is it. So this product we have purchased again from Amazon for around $8.99, and these are got 1 year warranty, that is 365 days warranty badged in here. I'm not sure from where we will get the warranty, but our purpose is to see how good this one is again in gaming as well as in music, hearing the music. So this is also a TWS AirPods. We will unbox it now, then we will do a complete review on this. We will see how good this one is, and we will share our verdict in this video. So watch this video till the end to know our comments and reviews on this particular product. So I'll go off the specifications in detail while I unbox it, and let's move to the unboxing. Ambrane Neobuds 33. So we are going to unbox it. This is a true wireless earphones, that is TWS, and it has got so we'll see how good it is. This is also Bluetooth version 5.0. This is not 5.1, this is 5.0, and the playback time up to 3.5 hours. It has got 365 days, that is 1 year warranty. Driver size is 10 mm. Then earphone battery is 35 mAh. This has also got a transmission range of 10 meters. Charging case of 300 mAh. Charging time up to 1.5 hours. That is pretty good. This is what inside. It has got a thanks card, then a user manual, okay. Now this is blue color. Got a charging cable. Yeah, wow, this is got type 2 C-type charger. You can see that it's a C-type charger, but I'm not sure whether it supports fast charging because it has not mentioned any fast charging capability. Let's take it out. It feels like used one packed again. The packing seems to be pretty good, but you can see that there are a lot of scratches on the body panel. So I'll bring it close. See? I have to wipe it and see if it's not. The box pack should not come like this, right? So I'm not pretty sure. See. Anyway, let's try it. This is the Ambrane. Didn't have the spare. I think it don't come with it, because if it was there, there will be an provision there. There is no additional or a spare the silicone protection case. So there is no marking also, left or right. There is nothing here. I'm not feeling good about the quality of this thing. So now we have to check it, connect it, and check it how good it is. Now let's open it and connect it and see. There's no way to know if it has turned on or not. Let's connect it and see. if it works or not. My first impression is not that good about this, so I have to check it, connect it and see if it connects or not. So let me connect it. Okay, it shows Ambrane Neobuds 33. That is this one. There is no indication, no light, nothing. Okay, it's connected. Now let's go and check how good this one is. So now it's connected. Now let's see how good this is. So let's check it out. My first impression wasn't that good for this one. This item. This is like this is not exactly like a earbud which doesn't place that correctly inside your ear. This is having an extended part like a mic, which is also a charging point in the charger box. So this point it is getting charged. So let's check it out. It is connected now. By the way, one thing, this is touch sensitive. If you tap on it, it will start. If you want to stop, it will stop. It is touch sensitive. Let's see how good it is. Yeah, it stops. It resumes. Yeah, that's working perfectly, but let me check how it will move to the next sound. Okay, that works. If you give a long press, it will move to the next video, or it will restart. Now let's check the quality of the sound. The sound is good, but it's not as louder as the Moonwalk M1 from earbuds or from the Petron Bassbud Pro. It is not as loud as that the other two has. But the sound quality overall, it's good. It's average. Now let's take a music. Okay. Yeah, the sound is not that good as the V-Cool Moonwalk M1 or even the Petron Bassbud Pro. I don't recommend this for music, so I don't want to test it for the gaming, because I'm pretty sure that this one will for the gaming purpose. Because the quality of the sound is not as good as the processor. Like, or we have to. There are a lot of other earbuds available with this price range, which is much better than this one. So I don't recommend this. But I tested the quality of the calls. That is good. The quality of the calls is good. If you are looking forward to have something which is not going to music and games, but you want something which can be like for calling purpose, then this one is good, because the mic is extended one, so your voice is easily catchable. I don't recommend for gaming for sure. This is my verdict on